Hey, and welcome to It's Not Letting Me. Today I want to talk about my favorite feature in the new Apple operating system. It has enhanced the phone's ability to work in augmented reality. It's when your phone is integrated with some computer-based graphics that fit properly within the 3D space. It knows where the floor is, and using the gyroscope that's built in the phone, it can tell by when you tilt your phone what the relationship has changed from the floor. Then they can put computer graphics in that will stay in that on the plane, so even if your phone moves, the graphics stay the same. The coolest thing that they have are the room measuring tools. So today, we're gonna measure the dimensions of our studio. We're gonna walk around the room, and just by pointing the phone at the corners of the room and at the doorways, we are gonna walk away with a full blueprint of the room in about 3 minutes. All you have to do is point the phone at the ground and get it centered on the floor plane. Once it knows where the floor plane is, then you can move the phone up. You can point it at the corners. You hit add corner. When you're at a doorway, you say begin doorway, end doorway, add corner, begin doorway, end doorway. You honestly don't even have to walk around the room. You can just point it at the corners and it'll measure the room. This is great if you work in construction or in any industry that you have to measure rooms quickly. Look at how easy that was to film the dimensions of this 40 by 40 foot room in a matter of minutes. No math, no pencils, no rulers, just your iPhone. This is just the beginning of augmented reality. Every iPhone is now capable of it. You have to update your phone to iOS 11 in order for the software to run, but it's really pretty great. Thanks for tuning in to It's Not Letting Me. Like and subscribe down below. Add in your comments any other videos that you'd like to learn about, and we'll see you next time on It's Not Letting Me.